down here, running there. My mind is so spherical. Touching darkness, leaving sharpness. Maybe I'm hysterical. Never-ending story so far. Baby, young and dumb is what we are. Let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all. Yeah, let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all. She is thinking about what...
Mitsubishi takes the spirit of adventure to new heights with the introduction of the 2024 Mitsubishi Triton. This mid-size pickup truck promises not only reliability for daily use but also an adrenaline-pumping off-road experience that redefines the capabilities of a pickup. Join us as we embark on an off-road drive with the Triton, exploring its prowess in tackling challenging terrains and delivering a thrilling off-road adventure.
'Cause I am so awake and here. I love her when she smiles, I hate her when she cries. 'Cause I'm just really bad with my emotions, yeah. I was mad at the start, chaos in my heart.
Aggressive design for off-road dominance. The 2024 Triton makes a bold statement with its aggressive design, featuring robust lines and a rugged stance that signals its off-road prowess. The pickup's muscular silhouette is complemented by purposeful design elements, from the pronounced wheel arches to the commanding front grille, all hinting at the Triton's readiness to conquer off-road challenges. Durable construction and tough underpinnings. Built on a foundation of durability, the Triton boasts a tough ladder frame chassis that provides the structural integrity needed for off-road adventures. The suspension system is tuned for off-road performance, ensuring stability and comfort even when traversing uneven terrains. With high ground clearance and approach, departure angles optimized for off-road driving, the Triton is prepared for whatever the trail throws its way.
Never-ending story so far. Baby, young and dumb is what we are.
Advanced four-wheel drive system. Equipped with an advanced four-wheel drive system, the 2024 Triton ensures optimal traction and control on varied surfaces. Whether tackling rocky paths, sandy dunes, or muddy trails, the Triton's four-wheel drive capabilities come into play, providing the driver with confidence and capability to navigate through challenging off-road environments. Powerful and efficient performance. Under the hood, the Triton packs a punch with a powerful and efficient engine. The responsive powertrain not only delivers the necessary torque for off-road climbs and descents but also ensures fuel efficiency for extended off-road excursions. The Triton strikes a balance between performance and economy, making it a reliable companion for both everyday use and off-road escapades.
But it makes no sense, 'cause I am so awake and here. I love her when she smiles, I hate her when she cries. 'Cause I'm just really bad with my emotions, yeah. I was mad at the start, chaos in my heart. Yeah. Let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all.
Off-road features and technology. Mitsubishi doesn't hold back when it comes to off-road features and technology. The Triton is equipped with terrain management systems, hill descent control, and off-road driving modes that adapt to different scenarios. These technological enhancements enhance the pickup's capability, making it a versatile performer in various off-road conditions. Comfortable and practical off-road interior. While conquering challenging terrains, the Triton doesn't compromise on interior comfort. The cabin is designed with practicality in mind, featuring durable materials, comfortable seating, and intuitive controls. Whether you're navigating city streets or off-road trails, the Triton ensures a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience.
Never ending story so far, baby, young and dumb is what we are. Let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all. Yeah, let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all. She is thinking about what could happen to her right now.
In conclusion, the 2024 Mitsubishi Triton sets a new standard for midsize pickup trucks with its off-road capabilities. Join the adventure and witness the Triton's ability to conquer challenging terrains, showcasing that it's not just a pickup truck but a reliable and thrilling companion for off-road enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more updates on the Triton's off-road drive and share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you ready to experience the thrill of off-road exploration with the 2024 Mitsubishi Triton?
She is afraid of her, calm her down. Touching grass, feeling lost. I think I need a breakup. But it makes no sense, 'cause I am so awake and here. I love her when she smiles, I hate her when she cries, 'cause I'm just really bad with my emotions, yeah. I was mad at the start, chaos in my heart, yeah. Let's think about what we love and not what we hate at all. Yeah, let's think about what we love and not what we hate at